How to solve can't open your Instagram by Facebook. So someday if you do not remember your Instagram password and want to connect it with your Facebook, but your phone is showing that you cannot connect it, then what you can simply do is follow these steps. So simply you should go on the Facebook of your phone. After going on Facebook of your phone, on the top right section you will see three vertical lines, and when you tap on this, so from here what you can do is click on the gear button. After clicking on the gear button, you can simply tap on settings, and then it will take you to a page like this. And now scroll down unless you see the option of account, and now click on add more accounts. If you want to add your Instagram account, then you can click on add more account. But since I have already connected my Facebook with Instagram, so I have two accounts right here. But if you want to add your Instagram account to the Facebook, then you can simply add the account right here, and then your Facebook and Instagram will be connected, and it will not show you any problem while opening Instagram or Facebook. So this is how you do it. I hope you liked our video. If you like the video, thumbs up and subscribe our channel.